What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today, we're gonna do an unboxing. And I'm gonna be trying out these new clippers. Reached out to me and they wanted me to try it out and kind of give you guys the overall of what I think about. The brand is called SUPRENT. So we're gonna get straight into the unboxing. I'll let you guys know of how I kind of feel about these. The way I've been seeing them online, they kind of look like they're a lot more for beginner barbers. Kind of just depends on who has them in hand. So let's get straight to it. Starting off with, I'm guessing this is a clipper. I can definitely say the box and the way it's boxed up is definitely good. Let's see what's in here. So there's a cover in here, cool clear cover. Depending on how it looks is if I would change it or not. Guessing the manual and everything. I would definitely say I don't know how to feel about this color. It definitely reminds me of my wall. Definitely a cool color, but I don't know. I like all my clippers to kind of be black. Pretty cool cape. Guards. They look like the wall premium guards. I'm guessing this has a stand and a charging dock. Oh no, these are just more guards. Rubber piece. Something I would say, I would have liked it if it came with a charging dock instead of just kind of plugging it in. Charging dock, same thing. About to say. Yeah, this definitely reminds me of the wall detailer. These have a good feel to the hand. We're gonna try these out throughout the day. Kind of test the waters to see how they kind of work. If they work on bulk, they can go through the coarse hair. I'm gonna try them on all types of hairs today and throughout the week. So I'll keep you guys updated on how I feel about these and who I kind of recommend these to. Just keep the goatee, right? They caught me by surprise. So I ended up changing the plastic cover on this. Mind you, this is weeks and weeks later of this video. I decided to do an actual test runs on these and see what I actually really think about them. And I'm not even gonna lie to you. The clippers, I recommend them to anybody. The trimmers, they have power, but it's kind of more on the blade that I kind of feel iffy about. It hits, but it doesn't hit as sharp as I want it. I'm the type of guy that likes that one hit trimmer, and that's basically all I like. But the clippers, definitely. Everywhere is gonna be bulking, taking down, cutting the hair, fading hair. I don't know, it's just a smooth little clipper. It's really powerful, it's quiet, it's not as loud. Yeah, I'll definitely recommend these to people. Who I would recommend them? I would feel like they're a lot more on the budget friendly, so definitely starters, and whoever, is starting out, doesn't want to spend too much, I would definitely consider SUPRENT Pro as one of their go-to clippers. Everything is there about the clipper. The only thing I would say is that I didn't like, I would say is the purple color is cool, but it's just not my thing. I'm kind of a all black clipper type of guy. So that's why I changed it to the clear, since it gives me that kind of black aesthetic and everything. But yeah, I would definitely consider purchasing these. So if you guys are wanting, make sure to click the link down below in the description. There's gonna be a discount code if you guys would like to purchase them. What do I rate these clippers? What I would rate them personally out of 10, I would definitely say it's up at a 7. I recommend these, like I've been saying. But hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy Jay Smooth, and I'm out. Peace.